Hello students, in this video I am going to teach a totally new topic, that is differential equations. That you can see here. In differential equations topic there are different types of differential equations. We shall start with how to find the order and degree of a differential equation, of a given differential equation. Before solving this first question, let me explain you what is the order and degree of a differential equation. See students, whenever any function is given, let us say some function is y equal to x square plus 2x plus 5. Some equation is given, quadratic equation here is given. So what we shall do, every time whenever you have to find the derivative of this equation, what we do, we take, if you find first time derivative, so differentiate with respect to x on both sides, and here we write dy by dx is equal to dy dx of this whole thing, and then later on by applying the formula of derivatives we solve this. Now the important is not the RHS, the important thing here is the LHS. See here in this equation on the left hand side y is there, and when you are derivating this equation for the first time, you are writing dy by dx, that is you are derivating y with respect to x for the first time. So this is called first order of a given equation, that is first order. When you again take derivative of this, again differentiating this with respect to x, what we write here, the derivative of derivative, that is dy by dx, the derivative of dy by dx is, you will be writing it as d square y by dx square. So this is when you are derivating y with respect to x for the first time, this is called first order. When you are again derivating dy by dx with respect to x, what you are getting is called as second order. If you take derivative of this one more time, then you will get d cube y by dx cube. Again, if you take derivative of this, you will get d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4. And this goes on like this. So this is called first order, second order, third order, fourth order, and so on. So I hope you got it. What is the meaning of order of a differential equation? Order means how many times you are derivating a given equation or a variable. If you are finding only one time, then it is called as first order, or the order of the equation is 1. And if you are derivating again, that is second time, then the order is 2, then order is 3, order 4, and so on. Okay, now let's come to this topic. In this question, what is asked, what you have to find? You have to find the order and degree of the given differential equation. So what is the equation given here? dy by dx whole bracket cube minus d square y by dx square minus 2 equal to 0. Before finding the order and degree of the given differential equation, you have to keep one thing in mind. You have to check in the given differential equation. What you have to check? You have to check whether the given differential equation is having any radicals, whether it is free of radicals or not, or whether the power of the terms is in fraction or not. Here the power of dy by dx is within brackets. The power or the exponent of dy by dx is 3, that is a whole number, and again dy by dx squares So nothing is there, it is not in power within brackets, so the power is 1. So if nothing is written, so by default its whole bracket power is 1. And here is number 2. 2 is a number. So if you can see in this differential equation, there are no powers, no terms are there whose power are in fractions, and no radicals are there. So if they are not present, two things you have to do: any brackets you have to check whether there are any terms having powers in fraction or not. You have to check that. And whether the given differential equation is free of radicals. Radicals matlab means what? Whether any square root is there, symbol is there like this, then cube root is there, okay, like so. If such kinds of terms are there in the equation, then you have to first of all remove those terms. Okay, now here, since the differential equation is not having any such terms or any fraction in the power, in the exponents, so we can directly start finding the order and degree. So let us start. See, in this differential equation there are no such terms are there, that is the power is not in fraction and no radicals are there, so we can directly start to find the order and degree. So let us start. Given differential equation is dy upon dx whole bracket q minus d square y upon dx square minus 2 equal to 0. First of all, what you have to do, check which derivative term has maximum order. Here in this first term, within the brackets, dy by dx is written. Within the brackets you have to see. And the second term, d square y by dx square. So this is first order and this one is second order. So always remember, always you have to select that term. Always you have to select that term which is of higher order. First step. Now in this equation, this one is of highest order, that is the order of this term is 2. So that automatically becomes the order of the entire equation. Okay. So here the order is 2. Now the second thing we have to find here is the degree of the differential equation. So the term which is having the highest order, remember only that term which is having the higher order, that term you have to see whether it is having any bracket power anything here or not. If it is having anything, bracket power anything, then that will be the degree of this differential equation. Since here in this case nothing like that is there, so by default if nothing is there bracket power, then its power will be 1. So the degree of this is 1. This one. So how you have to select the degree, or how can you find the degree of the differential equation? The term which is having the highest order in the given differential equation, that term only you have to see what is the power of that term, and that power of that term is the degree of the given differential equation. So for this equation the order is 2 and degree is 1.